Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video covering the highlights of Excel Grader 4. So I'm going to start with step 2. In the sales data worksheet, add a footer. I'm going to show you two ways to add a footer. One is insert, header and footer. And there's my header. I can scroll down, click in the footer, and if I click on the header and footer tab, I have options like file name, sheet name, current date, etc. So I can build a footer like that. When I'm done, I can click on any of the cells in the worksheet and just go back to View and Normal. The other way to do a footer is to go to Page Layout, and on the Mac there's a button here called Page Setup. On the PC there is a small button that really doesn't have a name on it in about this corner here. So Page Setup. Then if I clicked on Custom Footer, I would have the same sorts of tools, sheet name, file name, etc., and the same three regions. So either of those will work for you. Next, convert the table or the data to a table. So I'm going to go Insert, Table. It already understands the range, and I'm just going to say OK. And then I have to use a style. And I believe that's the right style. Remove duplicate records. OK, remove duplicates. And it will remove several of the rows of the table. Insert a new field to the right of the selling price field. So I'm going to click on Listing Date, and then right-click and Insert. My new column is going to be called Percent of List Price. And then I'm to build a structured formula, or a formula with structured records. So I'm going to go equals selling price, but notice how it doesn't refer to it as F2. It refers to it in a different fashion because it's a table. Divided by list price. And I'll just press enter. And it seems to have filled all the way down, but it is formatted as a dollar amount. So if I highlight the whole column and change it to a percent style with one decimal place, it makes much more sense. Add the total row. So again, I'll click anywhere in the table. I'll go to this Table tab, and there's a total row I can turn on. And the total row automatically puts this region down here and these items that I can use as pull-down menus. So then it asks you to do sums or averages or things like that on some of these fields. I'll let you figure the rest of that out. Lastly, sorting the table by city in alphabetical order. So I'm going to go to Data, I'm going to go to Sort, and I'm going to sort by city in alphabetical order, and then add a second level sort to sort by days on the market. But I didn't do that step. Anyway, here's how you would add a second level sort. You would add the second field, and you might do largest to smallest, and it would do that two-level sort. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the filtered data worksheet, and I'm going to do a filtering operation to display records for houses that were on the market for 30 days or more. Okay, so you might be tempted to just turn off everything except 30 here, but that won't actually get you the right result. Instead, we're going to do greater than or equal to and the number 30. You have to be careful. The question says 30 days or more, so that translates to greater than or equal to 30. that should give me all of the records for houses that have been on the market for 30 days or more. And that's it. Thanks for watching.